From running the washing machine to turning the TV on, your home uses a lot of energy. With potential savings to both your pocket and to the earth, it's time to consider going solar.
So there's a lot of reasons people choose to go solar. I think first and foremost, people nowadays want the energy independence, the opportunity to provide their own electricity independent from the utility grid. When you have solar panels, you generate your own electricity, which makes you immune from utility rate increases, which are inevitable. I think another reason is people nowadays would like to provide themselves with emission-free electricity, reducing their carbon footprint and providing themselves with clean, renewable energy directly from their rooftop. In addition to that, there's also federal incentives such as a federal tax credit and state incentives, as well as local utility incentives that can be applicable for different locations. First and foremost, everybody offers free consultation. Take the free consultation. Look around to see if any of your neighbors have went solar before. Read reviews. I strongly suggest picking someone local. Nobody likes to call a company and get a robot and sit on hold all day. That's not fun for anybody. So I think it's important that you find somebody locally sourced that answers the phone when you call.
A new solar energy system from SolarMe could be the solution you've been waiting for.
SolarMe was founded in 2014, and we specialize in zero-down solar installations. This is applicable for people with fair to decent credit, where we install a solar energy system that offsets 100% of their utility bill with no upfront cost. It's really important to give the personal touch. Nobody wants to be treated like a number or a regular, somebody who's not important. So when we do a solar installation, we evaluate the whole profile, whether they have an electric car or their kids are leaving for college or their electricity use is determined to be going up. We try to offset 100% of their electric bill if they have the available roof space, because nobody really likes getting surprises in the mail when their electric bill is $400 and $500. So when you provide yourself a home solar system and you open the electric bill and it's predictable, you'll know that you have a small service charge, maybe $5 to $10 of electric usage, because all of your electricity was provided from the solar panels on your rooftop. All of the installation techniques that we use are designed to last 25 plus years. The components that make up the solar system all have 25-year warranties, from the panel to the inverter and the racking. So you have worry-free solar power production on your rooftop for 2.5 decades.
If you're ready to go solar, visit their website, solarmeusa.com, or see this segment again at designingspaces.tv.